name is Sagan Augustine, a certified financial planner. I help the professional athlete and the NIL athlete. The reason for this video today is how to evaluate investment opportunities. I have 5 key ways to help you achieve this. Number 1, understand your risk tolerance. In other words, what can you handle? Right? Can you handle giving $100,000 to the bank and know that it's going to be secure and only get 2% rate of return on it every year? Right? But you have the security that it won't drop because number 1, it's FDIC insured and you put it into a solid bank, right? Can you handle putting it in the S&P 500 where there's a lot of ups and downs? Or if you can't handle maybe putting all that you have in there, can you handle putting some in there? And what portion of it can you put in there? And finally, can you handle giving your buddy $100,000 for a startup business, knowing that you may never see any returns on that, right? So what can you handle? That's the question that you need to ask yourself. Risk tolerance. What can you handle? That's number 1 when you're evaluating investment opportunities. Number 2, research the investment thoroughly, right? So you want to know what you're allowed to put in to a particular account and how much it's secured by, if secured at all, or if there's a potential that you could lose everything. You want to know that. If it's a specific company that you're researching, you want to do your research. Is this a company that tomorrow could be in bankruptcy? Is this a company that has never turned a profit, but you got it on some website and you think it's going to blow up, so to speak, for the good and the bad, right? Or you want to research that thoroughly if you want to invest in somebody or invest in an investment that you know that you don't know what that industry is and if you can see a return on that investment. That's why you want to do. You definitely want to do that. You want to research that. Number 3, you want to diversify your portfolio, right? So you don't want to put everything that you have in that one thing, right? You want to spread it out so that you have the goods in what each market has to provide, right? So that's that diversification of your portfolio so that you have a well-balanced portfolio and that you can reap on the gains and limit your downside, right? Number 4, you want to monitor the investment's performance, right? So you put it into a money market account, monitor it. Money market rates change all the time, right? So what are they paying now? Have they been paying at all, right? Because there are periods of time in our history where money markets weren't paying hardly anything. Or the investment account or the brokerage account that you open that's in the market and that's going up and down, you want to evaluate that performance. Hey, I put that money in this stock a couple years ago. How is it done now? And where do we see it going in the future, right? Or the money that you may have given somebody to open a car wash or start a technology business or start a marketing company. You want to monitor that as well. You want to see what the books are, right? And the 5th way on how you can evaluate your investments is you want to seek professional advice, right? That's where the certified financial planner like myself would come in. I'm a fiduciary, so which means that I am I'm going to do what's in your best interest, right? I'm required to do that. That's what you want to seek. So you want to seek after somebody that's looking out for you, right? And that's not going to get a kickback from the companies that, you're looking to invest in, right? So with that being said, my name is Sagan Augustine, a certified financial planner. I can be reached at 239-207-7910. Again, that's 239-207-7910. Or you can email me at sa@jesurunwealth.com. Again, that's sa@jesurunwealth.com. Thank you and have a great day.